This is a question from someone. What does Hazur think about the donation and transfusion of blood for medical purposes?
I think it's a very commendable sacrifice, and in the long run it doesn't damage you at all, because by giving your blood, out of the body reaction, more healthy blood is created immediately. I have done it twice myself, and I am very happy that I could be of some service, and it did not hurt me at all in the sense of loss of blood, etc. Within an hour or so I felt revived and much better than before. They just give you a glass of milk afterwards, but the way it turns into milk, Allah knows how it can. But very quickly it does. In the present context of diseases, AIDS, etc., it's very important for Ahmadis to offer their healthy blood, about which they have no doubt. The World Bank of blood has gone down very much, and this problem is faced everywhere in the world today, not only in the East but also in the West, so much that they don't know which blood is a disease, so they have to go through many processes of checking, rechecking, doing this and that, but still somehow the bad blood finds its way into the patients. So for this reason particularly I advise all over, the Ahmadis all over, and they do it, they respond to this call of mine very enthusiastically. So everywhere in the world, in Canada, America, everywhere, the Ahmadis are leading humanitarian people who serve the cause of the poor, of the suffering, by offering their blood.